Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing 3 different ornaments. I had so much fun with my last video doing the Dollar Tree crafts, and all of those are still in my house on display. I love those so much, but I thought I would do another one, but this time it's just going to be 3 different kinds of ornaments for your Christmas tree. So the first ornament we're going to do is inspired by Arhaus, and they're called stone ornaments, and it was 6 ornaments, I believe, for $54. So a little pricey, in my opinion. So we're going to try and recreate that, and I found these cute little ornaments here at Hobby Lobby, and they were $1 a piece. And so one thing I've been wanting to try is textured spray paint. So we are going to start, and we're going to try and recreate that look with this Krylon stone coarse texture in travertine tan. And so that is the first thing that we're going to do. Okay, here is the stone ornaments. Guys, this was so incredibly easy. And here you go. The spray paint, I learned is much easier if you do it in really small sprays over and over. And I just hung these up to dry in my garage. I think they are adorable. And the only thing about the spray paint, it was $15. Which I think is really expensive for spray paint, but you are still saving a lot of money for 6 of them at our house. Okay guys, for our next ornament, I'm gonna be making bulbs that have flowers inside of them. I think they're gonna be really pretty, dainty. I found these flowers for $3 each at Hobby Lobby. And then the bulbs, I got the buy one, get 3 free at Michael's. They have a really good deal right now. So I chose plastic just because they were cheaper, really. So we're just gonna remove the top, and we're gonna cut the flowers off and put them inside, and I think it's gonna be really elegant. And normally I do this stuff inside at my table, but my kids are home for Christmas break, so it's not gonna be quiet in my house for a while, but hope you guys don't mind doing some crafts in the garage. Okay, here they are. Super cute and elegant and very inexpensive. I think they are adorable, and they were so easy. I did take a pencil and kind of move it around to where it looked even, but I think they're elegant, and I will get a picture of these on my tree for you guys too, so you can see what they look like. Okay, for the last bulb, we are going to do a cloth Christmas bulb. And so I got this vintage looking cloth at, where did I get this? At Hobby Lobby, and it was only $2 because yeah, I got very little. You don't need very much. And so we are just gonna take some Mod Podge, and as you can see, I cut out strips that were the length of the bulb. We're just gonna put them right over it. Like that, and then we're gonna go over the bulb with the Mod Podge too. So I know it's not gonna look pretty right now, but don't worry about that. You just wanna cover it completely because it will dry clear, even though it's kind of ugly right now. That's okay. Just want it to be completely down like this. And then we're just gonna keep doing that on the entire bulb. Okay guys, here are the bulbs. I had so much fun making these and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know which one is your favorite, and as always, thank you for watching and please hit like and subscribe.